Are the drinks you consume every day unknowingly harming your kidney health? You might be surprised by which beverages are contributing to potential kidney problems. Welcome to our Dr. Vitality family. If you're committed to healing your kidneys and maintaining optimal health, you've come to the right place. Our kidneys are vital organs that filter waste and toxins from our blood, regulate fluid balance, and produce essential hormones. However, what we drink can significantly impact these critical functions. Conditions such as chronic kidney disease, kidney stones, and acute kidney injury are increasingly common, often due to dietary choices. In today's discussion, we're highlighting the top 10 drinks to avoid, along with alternative options, if you want to protect your kidneys and enhance your overall well-being. You might be shocked to find that some of these beverages are staples in many people's daily routines. Number 10. Diet sodas. Though marketed as healthier alternatives to regular sodas, diet sodas are not kind to your kidneys. These beverages are filled with artificial sweeteners like aspartame, saccharin, and sucralose. Despite their lower calorie content, these sweeteners can harm your kidneys over time. Research shows that regular consumption of diet sodas can decrease kidney function. Additionally, their acidic nature can lead to kidney stones. Instead, try flavored water with natural ingredients like lemon or cucumber slices for a refreshing change. Number 9. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol intake can severely damage your kidneys. When you consume alcohol, your body prioritizes metabolizing it over other processes, leading to dehydration, which is harmful as kidneys require sufficient fluids to function properly. Chronic alcohol use can also cause high blood pressure and liver disease, further complicating kidney health. Alcohol affects the kidney's ability to filter blood and maintain fluid, electrolyte, and acid-base balance. If you drink occasionally, do so in moderation and stay hydrated with plenty of water. Number 8. Coffee. While coffee is a favorite morning drink for many, it's crucial to monitor your intake. Moderate coffee consumption can offer health benefits, but excessive amounts can be problematic for your kidneys. Coffee acts as a diuretic, increasing urine production and potentially leading to dehydration, which can strain your kidneys. The caffeine in coffee can also raise blood pressure, a risk factor for kidney disease. To enjoy coffee without harming your kidneys, limit your intake to 1 or 2 cups a day and drink ample water throughout the day. Number 7. Energy drinks. Energy drinks are increasingly popular, especially among young adults seeking a quick energy boost. However, these drinks can harm your kidneys. They are loaded with caffeine, sugar, and other stimulants that negatively affect kidney health. Excessive caffeine can spike blood pressure and heart rate, stressing the kidneys. The high sugar content can lead to insulin resistance and diabetes, significant risk factors for kidney disease. These drinks also act as diuretics, causing dehydration and reducing fluid availability for kidney function. Consider natural energy boosters like a balanced diet, adequate sleep, and regular exercise. Number 6. Sports drinks. Though often advertised as essential for hydration and electrolyte balance after intense physical activity, sports drinks can do more harm than good for most people. These drinks usually contain high sugar and sodium levels, which can harm kidney health. Excessive sugar contributes to weight gain and increases the risk of diabetes, a leading cause of kidney disease. Similarly, high sodium can elevate blood pressure, straining the kidneys. While beneficial for athletes or those engaging in prolonged intense exercise, sports drinks are unnecessary for casual exercisers. Opt for plain water or coconut water to replenish electrolytes naturally. Number 5. Artificially sweetened beverages. Beverages with artificial sweeteners like aspartame, saccharin, and sucralose are often seen as healthier options than sugary drinks, but they carry their risks. These sweeteners, while low in calories, can negatively impact your kidneys. Studies suggest that regular consumption of artificially sweetened drinks can cause oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys, potentially leading to reduced kidney function. They may also disrupt metabolic processes, contributing to metabolic syndrome, which increases the risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. For better kidney health, avoid these drinks and choose herbal teas, infused water, or naturally sweetened beverages. Number 4. Flavored water. Flavored waters might seem healthier than sugary sodas or juices, but many are packed with added sugars and artificial ingredients harmful to your kidneys. The sugars and sweeteners in these drinks can spike blood sugar levels, increasing diabetes risk, a leading cause of kidney disease. Some flavored waters also contain artificial colors and preservatives that put additional strain on your kidneys as they filter these substances. Stay hydrated and support kidney health by opting for plain water or homemade flavored water with fresh fruits like lemon, cucumber, or berries. Number 3. Fruit juices. Though often seen as healthy, many commercially available fruit juices are loaded with added sugars and lack the fiber found in whole fruits. The high sugar content can cause blood sugar spikes, leading to insulin resistance and increased diabetes risk, which can affect kidney health. Without fiber, you miss benefits that regulate blood sugar and promote digestive health. Excessive fruit juice consumption can also lead to weight gain, a kidney disease risk factor. If you enjoy fruit juices, make them at home without added sugar, consume them in moderation, or choose whole fruits for full nutrient and fiber benefits. Number 2. Soda. Regular soda is notorious for kidney damage, and for a good reason. These sugary drinks contain high fructose corn syrup and artificial ingredients that harm your body. Soda's high sugar content can lead to obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, all major kidney disease risk factors. Phosphoric acid, used in many sodas for flavor and shelf life, can cause mineral imbalances, leading to kidney stones and related issues. Caffeine in many sodas acts as a diuretic, causing dehydration and stressing the kidneys. A healthier lifestyle means eliminating soda and opting for alternatives like water, herbal teas, or sparkling water with a splash of natural fruit juice. Number 1. Sweetened iced tea. Surprisingly, sweetened iced tea tops the list of drinks to avoid for kidney health. This popular beverage often contains high oxalate levels, contributing to kidney stones, a painful condition impairing kidney function. Added sugars in sweetened iced tea can lead to obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, all detrimental to kidney health. The combination of oxalates and sugars makes sweetened iced tea a double threat. If you love tea, choose unsweetened or herbal teas, which can be refreshing without harmful effects. Brew your own tea at home and add lemon or natural sweeteners like honey or stevia for a healthier alternative. There you have it, Dr. Vitality family. These are the top 10 drinks to avoid to keep your kidneys healthy and functioning properly. Remember, what you drink plays a significant role in maintaining overall health, especially for your kidneys. By making mindful choices and steering clear of harmful beverages, you can help keep your kidneys in peak condition. If you found this information helpful, please like and share it with friends and family who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment if you have questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, take care of your kidneys, stay hydrated, and stay healthy.